With so many cyber threats out there, it's important to have the best protection for your iPhone. So don't worry, we got some amazing recommendations that are going to keep you safe. So first up, try Norton Mobile Security. This app helps protect you from viruses and malicious websites. Another great choice is McAfee Mobile Security. It not only protects your phone, but it also helps you find it if it's lost. And if you're looking for something free, consider Avast Security and Privacy. It keeps your phone safe from threats and even checks your Wi-Fi security. For top-notch privacy features, check out Kaspersky Mobile Antivirus. It protects your data and keeps an eye on your apps. And lastly, Bitdefender Mobile Security is a great app for privacy, protection, and secure browsing. So by using these apps, it's going to make your iPhone safe from hackers. Don't wait to protect yourself and your data. And I'll put this all in the description so that you could read it. You know which ones to look for. If you like this video, leave me a like. Love ya.